Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy iPad Air M3, but the current price is very high, so they are asking me whether this iPad will be on sale or not and what will be the best price for iPad Air M3 during Republic Day sale. iPad Air M3 is a very good iPad with M3 chipset, so it can handle many tasks and the display quality is excellent on this iPad. This is a laminated retina display, so you will get a very good combination of color and the color algorithm is excellent. If you want to know the best price of iPad Air M3, actually few days back it was sold at 43,000 rupees on Amazon.in. So you will get the best discount from Amazon.in, and if you get this pricing, buy. Otherwise you should wait for another sale. So let's wait for Republic Day sale and you will know whether the price has come down or not. The next tablet in the list is Oneplus Pad Lite. The best price for this tablet is around 11,000 for the 6GB RAM, and if you want to buy the 8GB version, in that case the best price would be around 13,000 rupees. The battery backup of this tablet is very good, however I didn't like the display of this tablet. However, if you don't compare it with any other tablet, in that case you will find the display to be good enough. Actually, I have compared the display of Oneplus Pad Lite and Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and I can say that the display quality is best on Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Next iPad in the list is iPad 11th generation 128GB variant. If you want to buy this iPad, in that case the best price would be around 28 to 29,000 rupees, and if you don't have credit card, in that case the best price may be 30,000 to 31,000 rupees. I think you will get discounts on both Amazon.in and Flipkart.com. So you have to wait till Republic Day sale. Don't buy this iPad right now because the price of this iPad is very high right now. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP Plus. This is a newly launched tablet. It was launched in 2025 and the best price of this tablet is 40 to 42,000 rupees. You will get discounts from Flipkart.com. I will tell you which credit card will be eligible to buy this tablet in Republic Day sale. This tablet is ideal for those users who want to consume a lot of multimedia contents. The speaker quality and the display quality are very good. The next tablet in the list is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus. This is a very popular tablet, and if you want to buy this tablet, the best price would be around 25,000 rupees or less. And don't buy this tablet in 2026 above 25 price point. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.